The first thing that you want for reflexology is to check the condition of the feet. You want to make sure that there's no discoloration, that there is no broken skin, that there's no excessive dryness. And if there is, then you have to maybe postpone that treatment or talk to your client about avoiding that area. For the cleanliness of the feet, you want to make sure that you wipe the feet off in some kind of way. You can use a hot towel over the feet. You could also use a wet hygiene spray. It can relax the client, but also makes it a lot easier for you to work as well. Reflexology is a little different than just a regular foot massage. Reflexology is about different pressure points on the feet that correspond with different organs within the body. Everybody breaks it down a little differently. You can look up different maps. There are all sorts of references as to how to remember your lines and the organs. But the way that I remember it is I kind of simplify it into 5 lines. And my lines go across this way. So generally anything that is on the toes refers to the head, neck, ears, or eyes. The ball of the foot here generally refers or corresponds with the lungs, the heart, and the shoulders. The middle of the foot is the stomach, the diaphragm, and the bladder. And actually this part right here, if it starts to get a little puffy, it can indicate that your client needs to use the bathroom. So pay attention to that. The heel tends to mimic more of like pelvic pain, sciatic pain, back pain. The medial line right here corresponds with your spine. So the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. It's just the shape of your spine. And the outside or the lateral part of the foot tends to correspond with bones, muscles, and etc. Kind of the rest of the body here. On the top of the foot, the toes again correspond with the head, the ears, the brain. The kind of like the middle part of the foot corresponds with your lungs and your chest area. And then as you make your way down towards the ankles, this is where your reproductive correspondence would be.